guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 26. Let's start reading. Di ba nagkita-kita silang tatlo? Rongchi, did you see that video in the class group chat? Did you misunderstand me? Oh. Di naman dun eh. Dun naman yung nandun sila sa hospital, di ba? Don't believe that video. It's fake. Yan tricked me into recording it, and she had a malicious intent to tarnish my reputation. Gumawa na naman siya ng issue. What video? I don't have a phone, so I haven't seen it. Sa bagay, wala naman talaga siyang phone kasi mas pipiliin niya pang magkapera para sa kapatid niya at kapresyo ng papa niya kaysa sa bisyo niyang cellphone. Kaya't ako, kung hindi ko lang talaga pagpeperahan yung pera. You don't need to see it. Just trust your instincts and believe in either of us. Ano man? You, of course. Siyempre siya yung savior eh. Sa kanya ka maniwala, be. Your eyes have already given me the answer. O, diba? Napaka-devilish kasi ng eyes mo eh. Malicious masyado. Rongchi, do you want my coconut water or Yan's mineral water? O, kala ko ba soda? Coconut water pala yun. Think carefully. Can you handle the consequences? Bakit may consequences? Ano ba kasing meron sa kanilang dalawa, no? I detest being threatened. Oo nga, siya pa. Shushwang, if the consequences you're referring to involve not helping my brother find a doctor, then you don't need to help. Ginamit ang brother. Aba. Don't you want to cure your brother? I know a doctor who can definitely help him. Tignan lang natin. In the past life, Rongshi took his brother to seek medical help everywhere, and it was a doctor named Dr. Chi who finally cured him. So, ang hahanapin nila si Dr. Chi. So, saan nila hahanapin yan? I used this as bait to make Rongchi return the favor. But why is he suddenly backing out today? Shuang, what doctor can you find? Dr. Chi? I can find him too. Are you also a what? Parang nag-gets na yan na reborn din siya. How does she know about Dr. Chi? Could she have been reborn too? Ang hina mo naman, be. Ngayon mo lang na-realize. No wonder she seems like a different person lately, daring to play tricks on me. Also a what? Nothing. Na natin ngayon. I can't mention that word. That's my trump card, and I can't reveal it easily. Ooh, talaga? I'm thirsty. Kahit ako tubig pipiliin ko eh. Hindi ako mahilig sa coconut water. O, diba? Doon siya sa water. Sorry, be, pero pinili si Shuyan. Even a simple act of drinking water looks so cool when he does it. Ay, oo nga, no. Si Lengroy tsaka si Rongchi pa rin yung pipiliin niya. Even in this world. Wait for me outside. I'll change clothes and then take you back. Diba? Iakatid pa siya. As for you, goodbye. Sorry ka na lang. Male locker room. Ay, diba? Nakatayo lang sila. Chuyan, don't get too cocky so soon. Even if you are, it's too late now. Oh, bakit too late? I will definitely defeat you. Just wait. Parang ikaw atang nadidefeat, be. Parang di mo napapansin. Pumabaliktad na yung world mo. Alright, I'll wait. If you have any tricks up your sleeve, go ahead and use them. If I back down, then I lose. Galing, ang ganda niya talaga. Kahit on previous world, maganda na siya. Ngayon naman, mas lalo siyang gumanda. Mas batang version naman siya. In this world, we don't need two reborn individuals. One is enough. So what are you planning to do? Are you going to kill Chuyan? Is that your plan? As long as Shushuang makes a move, I have a way to crush her. Well, we'll see about that. Hey, beauty. Why are you standing here alone? Wow. Mga ano talaga, no? I'm into boxing. If you're interested, I can teach you. Ay, si Rongchi yung magtuturo sa kanya, boy, hindi ikaw. Lalabas si Rongchi ngayon dyan. I'm not interested. Oo nga, di naman talaga. Kung gusto niya lang matapos yung laro. Ay, yung world na to. Oh, such a cute and innocent looking student. Don't be shy. How about I treat you a cup of coffee? You're hitting on her, huh? Why do so many people like to invite trouble? Lagot ka. I exchanged for a powerful pill today and it has a 24-hour effect. It doesn't burn off yet. Sorry ka, boy. Gulpi ka ngayon. How dare you touch her? Oh no, here comes Rongchi. Twak. Sorry, boy. Nasuntok ka tuloy. Si Rongchi yung nanuntok. Did it touch you with his right hand? What the hell? What is wrong with you? Hindi niya alam na si Rongchi yung kasama ng girl. O hindi niya alam na si Rongchi yung nanuntok sa kanya. Ngayon na notice na niya. Are you the youngest underground boxing champion, Rongchi? Who would it be? Sino pa ba? Apologize to her. I'm sorry. Today, I dislocated a female classmate's arm, and Rongji dislocated a male boxer's arm. Now that I think about it, we both seem a bit brutal. Hindi kayo bit brutal. Brutal talaga kayong dalawa, be. Grabe kayong dalawa. Don't be so tense. I'm fine. Let's go. And here they are. Place ni Rongchi to, diba? Talagang karga-karga niya pa. Chuyan, why did you come to get close to me? Na-shock siya. Oo nga naman. All of a sudden, biglang nagko-close-closean kayo. Anyway, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone.